My dear students, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Gurpreet Singh. I am working as an assistant professor management in Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University Patiala. First of all, I would like to welcome to all of you in our distance department of education, Punjabi University Patiala. Our department has taken several initiatives to promote distance learning programs, and in this, virtual lessons are one of them. As we all have faced a very hard time of a very long pandemic of the century, many people have lost their dear ones in this COVID 19. We don't want that scene should come back again. So, for that, we need to be very vigilant. We need to take precautions. We have to educate our people for mandatory vaccination. So, because that's the only way out that we can take some control on this COVID 19. However, gradually we are getting a good news that COVID 19 cases are coming down, but we need to focus on that how we can be a COVID free zone. So, the basic purpose of this video lecture is to give you a brief introduction about our subject. As you are aware, after a so long time, the online classes were there earlier. Now offline classes has been started, and our first uh, personal contact program is going to commence from 11th October, that is coming Monday. And as far as our subject is concerned, it is very wonderful subject, very helpful in our day-to-day routine work also, that how to manage the things, how we can make our life easier. This subject will help us. Moreover, our subject name is Business Organization and Management Principles 1. It is a total 100 marks paper. 60 marks will be for external examination and 40 marks for internal assessment. It will be a duration of this exam will be 3 years only. In this personal contact program, we will cover very basic topics in brief, like classical and new classical contribution in the field of management, contribution given by another thinkers like Frederick Winslow, Henry Fayol, Max Weber, Peter Drucker, etc., who have given a new shape in the field of management. Another thing that we need to understand is that nature and scope of business. What are the essential requirements to start a business entity? How red tapeism will affect a business firms that are already existing or new firms? That how partnership firms are created, joint stock companies are how they are formed. What is the how new company is formed? What are the government bodies that are involved that we need to take permission to start a business? So what are the business ethics to handle a particular area? These topics we will cover. Moreover, we will have a focus on decision making concerns, that how structured and unstructured decisions are made in an organization. As far as planning is concerned, there are two sort of planning. Short range planning, we call it operational planning, long-term planning, long-range planning. We called it strategic planning. So from various angles we have to study this planning. Then organization structure, that how we can relieve the services as early as possible with the organization structure, like formal organization structure or informal organization structure. Then delegation of authority or decentralization of authority, how it can help in a management functions. So these are the basic you know subjects or basic contents that we will discuss in our PCP. Moreover, you need not to worry. We are here to help you. Hope for the best. Thank you.